Hi.
Hey, it's us, Training Hawks Fan 17, and this is
Local 89.
Alright, we're gonna have a little competition here. The first one who gets a brain freeze gets the brain freeze award, and whoever doesn't gets an ice cream thing award. Alright, well, we don't have an actual award, we're just gonna stuff ourselves. Ready? On your mark, get set, go! No brain freeze yet.
Brain freeze.
Woo! I win! He gets the brain freeze award. I get the best. I got the ice cream eaters award because I never got a brain freeze. Woohoo! Yeah. All right, that's it. All right.
Yes.